Hey guys, it's Karen. Today I'll be walking you through our new BigRoad integration. This will help you obtain better visibility over your equipment and your drivers. Rather than making chaotic, reactive decisions, this integration will help you be more proactive in your business. Let's start off by installing the BigRoad app. First, head on over to the Pegasys Marketplace by clicking the gear icon located in the top right. Scroll down to BigRoad and click Install. You will then be prompted for your BigRoad API key. Head over to the BigRoad app. The API key can be found in your account by clicking the hamburger menu along the top left, Fleet, and then Apps. Your API key will be present under the Custom Integration heading. I'm going to go ahead and copy this and paste it into Pegasys. Pegasys will verify the connection with BigRoad and install the integration automatically. Pegasys will never store your BigRoad information. It is only used as temporary data to map your drivers to your dispatches, shipments, and tractors. The goal of this integration is to gain better visibility over your transportation business. Once installed, I'm going to go ahead and click Open. Along the top, you will see your drivers and their hours of service that have been retrieved from your ELD provider. The Open button will redirect you to that record within your ELD solution. Using this data, you will see a map view along the bottom with your fleet moving shipments real time. In order for the mapping to work correctly, make sure your drivers and/or owner-operators are named the exact same within Pegasys and your ELD solution. Drivers will always take precedence. Each truck is also color-coded to show you their capacity if applicable. I'm going to go ahead and click Tractor 334. As you can see, a marker will appear with all of the dispatch and shipment information. Each record contains a hyperlink allowing you to jump straight to the data if you need to make any changes. Along the bottom of the marker, you will see the date this location was retrieved from your ELD and an option to open the location within Google Maps. Simply click the blue refresh button to pull this information from your ELD provider for a more accurate representation. The date and time within the button represents when the date was last retrieved. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and check out our Instagram and Twitter. See you in the next video.